and welcome back to my desk. Today we're unboxing a Your Creative Studio subscription box. These subscriptions are for 2 or 3 months. I got a 2-month subscription, but I will be renewing, having quickly taken off all the plastic wrapping from everything that came with this box this month. The website does only offer 2 or 3 month subscriptions, so you do have to renew yourself after that period is finished. And I'm going to be happy to renew, having quickly looked at the items in this box. I have of course unwrapped everything, so I've torn the paper, so this would normally come very nicely wrapped with the Your Creative Studio sticker there. So let me pop everything out of the box and we can have a look together. The theme for this month was photography, it appears. So one of the first things we see is this lovely little sticker sheet of vintage advertisements for photographers. And then this little notepad, and this is very clever. You actually pull the notes out as though it were a sort of Polaroid type camera. So I thought that was very cute. We do have a washi tape, and it features different period cameras. So that's very nice. And then this, which doesn't quite fit in with the camera theme, but is really quite special. It is musical notations on a washi tape, and I did open the box because it was a little bit stiff and difficult to open. Oops, sorry about that. And here we have the musical notations on quite a narrow washi tape, so I like that a lot. And sorry, the little card that comes with the little note at the back from Amanda. 2 notepads, always very useful. Endless notes being written in this. And this one I liked a lot because the paper is actually split in the middle. Not only is there a nice sort of fleck design on it, but as you can see there's a perforation down the center of the page. So that is very useful because oftentimes you find yourself throwing away a whole sheet because you've written something on it and you don't need the rest of that. So I like that. These are adorable little miniature envelopes. Love them. Look at that one, 18th century sort of design on that one. Little birds, fox, all different, really quite lovely. So a strong theme of photography, but some other items as well, which I absolutely appreciate. And an owl, I love owls, and a reindeer, and I think I know who will like that one. This little box apparently contains stickers. So I haven't opened it, so I do try to take care not to open absolutely everything. So watch me struggle with this. La la la, ripping, ripping, ripping. Not very ladylike. Here we go. Oh my goodness, what have we got in here? It's very unusual. Lovely box. Haven't ripped it too much, I can still keep it. Oh, they're numbered and I've managed to... Oh no, they're not numbered. So they seem to be... it says they're stickers. I don't see how they would be, but little stamps. I'm not really sure what these are. I'm not sure what I would use them for, but I do appreciate the unusual packaging and sort of the designs that they come in. I'll have to see if anybody else has any videos about what they use them for. On the back it just says original stickers. I can't even tell if they are stickers. Let's have a look. Apologies. Oh, they are. They're stickers. Huh. Okay. They could be quite cute for decorating things, and certainly there's plenty to go around. For any of those that are new to my videos, I do tend to give anything that I'm not going to use to friends and family. And this again says original vintage stickers from this company or from that brand. No card. Oh, now I almost ripped that out, and I wonder No, the last one wasn't like this. This one is more like a matchbox. That's really interesting because, so these are all stickers, but they're much more like the paper ephemera that you get. But I do find them more useful as stickers. Or at least it's just easier to use them. There's a great variety of items in there. Isn't that nice? I particularly like those ones. I'm so conservative in my tastes. And some old airmail things. I really like that they come in this sort of little cigarette case. It gives me somewhere to keep them. Because that's sort of like self-contained. You can just keep them in there. Where there is a box that opens like that one, I'm less inclined to keep it as the storage item, which is silly, but true. And we have some stamps of old cameras. Really like that one and that one there. That's very good. I like those a lot. Oh, sorry, that was just the backing paper for those. And then we have another stamp of a camera, which is shaped like a camera. So that's really, really cute. And presumably that's the image that you would get from this stamp. And you like those. And that's the brand. Very good. So as I said, I'm actually really appreciating this overriding theme of photography, and yet some other items contained within. Really like those. Are they stickers? I'm not sure. Or is it just, no, I think it's just a piece of paper with the images on, and I know who I'll give that to. And then some more imagery. Gilded cage, which I really like, and in fact I'd probably just cut that out and possibly cut out the swallow as well. Is it a swallow? European hare. Yeah, that's lovely. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it says Hangerman horse. I would have called it Pasquale's horse, but maybe that's what it's called nowadays. Sort of Ice Age horse. And another version on parchment paper of the other image, which I really, really like. So I'm really delighted with this first box from your creative studio. It's certainly something I will continue to purchase. Very much looking forward to getting future boxes, and just need to remember to resubscribe sort of once every 2 to 3 months. Hopefully I can get a 3-month next time, but not to worry if I can't. I'll just continue to resubscribe to this box. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.